Hello and welcome back to Zoo Building. Today I am over here instead of opening you up to the puppies and sheepy. I'm over here because I have a surprise in our house and I think you guys are glad. So I didn't do a video. Sorry, just about almost showed you that. So I haven't done a video in a little while. Basically, I've been working on something. And I just wanted for that to be a secret. And we still have to do a bit. And I thought I would bring you guys on over and just work with you guys today. So, here goes. You guys are going to be so excited. So, let me try to not show you guys anything. Grass. But yeah, I'm so glad that we can make it work out, that our house would be so close to our lookout. Let me just. Oh no. Sorry, just very hard to do this. If you ever tried to lead somebody to something without spoiling everything. That's the normal house. Okay, and let me just back up just so that I'm in line. That's the reason why. And dun. I did the roof, and I decided to go like that because I felt it was nice, and it makes it look so much bigger. Because guys, I made there's an attic, but sort of just the second floor, and now I was getting the recorder set up, and you can't really do anything until you click play. So I thought I would just bring you guys on over, and then we could do this. I was going to do it off camera, but you guys are here now, and what I'm doing right now is, sorry, I'm still in creative mode, but that's because I'm not really done with this. And trust me, you guys are glad that I went into creative mode. If I hadn't have gone into creative mode, here's what would have happened. Imagine this. 6 episodes where all we're doing is collecting wood and putting on pieces. Dun. Oh yeah, and it's going to be one of these like short little clippy episodes that I just do for fun so that I have something to give you guys. Oh yeah, I made a sunroof because I thought, you guys will learn when I make houses, I don't like having to put up all these lights. I actually took out some so that it wouldn't be as cluttery with these, but yeah, I used these because I don't really like glowstone as much. And you'll find it's really cluttery if you just only do these, so I put in a lot of windows. So that's going to be that little room. This is our guest room, so that if we had a guest, we could let him sleep somewhere. And that guest could range from, honestly, an animal. It could be an animal as a guest, and then we'll surely change it up, change the room. Like, we wouldn't leave an animal some food, because I'll probably just as a little present rename something chocolate, and then like when they get here they can have some chocolate. Or I might leave them chocolate chip cookies so that when they come here they could just have like some chocolate chip cookies. Right, I have to give one of you guys, somebody in my class, the name of this channel, or well, the name of one of our episodes, and then they'll find the rest of it. Okay, now in here I'm going to take out these, but I'm going to make these all lamps so that she could, like, if she wanted to go to bed, she or he wanted to go to bed, then she or he could just turn off the lights. But first, let's do. Now, what I'm about to say does not mean nobody who's a boy, or no boy would like pink or purple or magenta, and no girl would like green or red or something, but I'm gonna try to pick a bed that if somebody doesn't like that color, then it could be like for both of them. So I think I'll pick red, but that totally doesn't mean that like everybody likes one type of bed, like one color. Nobody likes pink or purple who's a boy. I actually have some people in my class who like pink and purple. Now I'm gonna make it a big bed so that could be like many people. Could be. There we go. That's a big bed. And then, like usual, because everybody needs a good nightside table, I'll make them a little nightside table. Or actually, let's make it bigger so that I can fit a lamp on it. No, I don't want to sleep. Not my bedtime yet. Today's actually, it's the weekend, and Monday's actually a PD day, so it is absolutely amazing. A little lamp. Okay, I found the redstone lamp. Good. And then I always use a lever because I find anything else doesn't work. Like a button. What a button does is it turns it on for 2 seconds. Like reading a book, and then it goes off. Like, I'll show you even, because if you guys don't play Minecraft or aren't familiar with buttons, just see? Goes on, goes off. So lever is the really perfect thing. And actually, I'm going to make it so that you don't have to get all the way out of bed to turn it off. Oh my goodness, my brother has taught me so much on Minecraft. I think I would be lost right now if my brother hadn't taught me anything. So now I'm gonna give them a little flower because, I mean, who doesn't like a nice plant next to their bed? I might even switch it out every so often. So I'll make it, there'll be one little pink tulip. There'll be one vase with one pink tulip, and then the other one with some ferns. And yes, you can do that. By the way, I might change it if you guys do know, but tell me if you know of a different light source. I know that there's redstone lamp, there's glowstone, and there's torches, and there's end rod if you really want to get fancy. But tell me of any others, because I don't know of any others. Oh, and you can use sea pickle, but you have to put those underwater. And there's also that other thing, that's a water thing that lights stuff up. Also, tell me what a heart of the sea does, please. I really want to know. And I'm just going to flick that on. Now let's make their many little lamps, because I personally love lamps. I find them very nice. Now it's time to test my little Minecraft skills to the brim. Okay. Let's actually put that somewhere that we want it to go. Jeez, how did I do that? Nope, you can't. Okay, well. Oh well. Everything's gonna have to be on the ground and stuff. Or honestly, you could reach up here. Just replace that out with a lamp. And we're turning them all on because I don't really like having little dark corners. Because then if I ever go to turn it on to like monsters for some odd reason, because I need monsters on, then, or even just if I'm testing something and I need monsters on, then I don't want a really dark corner in my house. But honestly, I bet they'll never turn monsters on, because I hate lighting things up, which means that there would be monsters everywhere. And see, this is what the room's gonna be like when it's dark, because of how much I rely on these. So let's just go to sleep, because honestly, I think that I would spawn up in that tree if I died here, which I really would try not to. Honestly, this might be a full-length video because, I mean, it's already 10 minutes and I only have 15 minutes long in the video. So there we go. We got them a little thing and... Okay, let me just write them a little note. Honestly, I won't make you guys watch me write a note, but I will just grab a blank piece of paper. Actually, I will. If it gets too long, I'll just stop and let you guys not watch that. And by that, I don't mean pause the video, but I mean like, just sort of like, we're gonna give them a whole stack of cookies, or actually a half a stack, because they will get eaten up. Okay. Okay, and that's just a little housewarming gift. Like, I feel like if I was feeling homesick, I just got somewhere that's a new place, I would sort of love a few cookies. Okay, and here we're just gonna give them, I'm gonna give them a sky window view, which, or a floor window view, which is something where it's not a windowsill, but I really like those for some reason. We will be using glass panes because then you can really get close. For the sunroof, I didn't do that just because you can't put glass panes. Ah, dang, why did I do that? I hit it. But with the sky roof, if I were to take let's make this really really good. Infused stone. Okay, I have no idea what that means, but we won't leave it here for too long because I know that this might actually mean that it spawns monsters, and I hate stone like that. So see, look, this is my little sunroof, and done. See, there, that's what happens. And it sucks. Ah, stop breaking blocks that you don't want, Ella. Look at this pantheon. Sorry, that's me and me. I started watching it again because you never have enough me and me. No judges. No judges. Okay, hopefully I can write a note on this. Wait a minute. Oh my goodness. I went to my sister's and she actually couldn't come for that party that I told you that she could. But yeah, because my little nephews, they had a rash, but it's gone. So they're coming on Monday. Let me just see if what I do is that okay. That's how I write a note. I can't really write them a note unless I do it in a book. I better hurry up if I really want to do this. Okay. Book and perfect. So sorry, this will be all we're gonna be getting into. I mean, if I were to just leave it, it would be undone. And let me write this note. Welcome to our house. Okay. No, not our horse. Our house. Welcome to our house. And let me just... Right, we can't do that. Okay. Now, well... Not horse. House. I actually just had my horseback riding lesson. It's amazing. I had to ride on a different horse though, because usually I ride on copper. I hope